Morning. Hi, Sir Dwayne. Good morning po. Morning. It's so cold. Good morning, Sir Dwayne. Hi, Ralph Pasler. Santos, hello. What about my stomach? Oh my God. Oh my God. Oh, 14 people. Hi. Wait lang. Wait. Cheryl, thank you so very much. Welcome po, Sir Dwayne. Thank you. Thank you too. What is the time? Oh, thank you, 23 people in the house. I'll watch too much. Okay, thank you so much. Gigi. Oh, so cold. I'm from Philippines, Alfred. I'm fine. Stephen, hi Stephen. What advice? What is it? Thank you po. Remember someday. Hi Alex. Derek Johns. Hi Sir Derek. Derek, Jeff, hello. Would you like to get to know me? Know you. Good morning, my Cheryl. Thank you, Sir Derek. I am serious. Where are you from, Alfred? What is it darkness? Thank you. 27 people. Brandon Peel. Hi, Brandon. What did it do? Thank you so much. "34 people. This is my WhatsApp. Makey, hi Makey. Yeah, cold here. I need to dance. Need to move. Need to move the body. Maicon. Maicon. Iron nose. Thank you for the lights. Thank you, Sir Dwayne. Thank you so much. Manana Cheryl. Magandang umaga. Magandang umaga, Mike Mercado. Watch for breakfast bread. The bread. Hello, hi, Star. Star, thank you, Star. So cold. Golden, hi, Golden. So cold here. Need to move. I want butter of mine, please. No butter. No butter, Mickey. Saan ba yan? Bicol po, Bicol. Chris Records, Bicol. Oh no, you have to go to the store and get some before I get there. Yeah, yeah, I need to buy some butter. Either son, hi, either son. Oh my God. Coffee, yes, coffee, Mike. Plus, how much for the 10 pieces of bread? Then, 35 pesos. Almost $1. Almost $1. This is the 25, uh, 10 pieces. Yes, almost $1. That's 35 pesos. Everything about you is beautiful. Thank you, Mike Mercado. Are you from Philippines? Yes, I'm from Philippines. Frank Stevens. Oh, hello, my angel. Thank you, Frank. So cold. Oh my God. Mhm. From Germany. Nice to meet you, Sir Frank. Here, that probably would be over the $3. Oh my God. Expensive. What's the meaning of mahal kita? Hmm? I don't know. I don't know what is the meaning of that. Sorry. Oh, IU, it's wonderful. My love, I think. Yes. I'm just joking that I don't know. But I know, but I didn't say. If you're not, if you were not married, I would marry you and buy a beautiful house and love you forever. Thomas from Denmark. Hi, Thomas. Thanks, you angel. Is it morning in Philippines? Yeah, early morning here. What time here? 5:20 in the morning. Oh my god. She hears that everybody. Yeah. Thank you, Sir Dwayne. My god. Hi, Eric. Tom. Thank you for the white spot. I'm so cold. Hi, Higgs. Hey, Cheryl. Hope you're having a wonderful day. Yeah. Thank you, Higgs. Please like and subscribe. Thank you, Higgs. Darling, you, my darling, my just married. Thank you, Higgs. How old are you, Frank? How's Papa Day doing this morning? He fell his his gout. His feel just felt so much pain. Yeah. Whose chicken is that? It is hungry, probably screaming a lot. Screaming a lot. Chicken here. Chicken a lot. Do you have kids? Yeah, I have one kid. Alexander. In crowing. Ay, Kuya Dre. Jollibee. What are you doing? Coffee is growing. It's growing. How old are you? I'm turning 41 this February 2nd. Growing. Can I join now? You look 30 I think. Give me bread, Jollibee. Kuya Jay, I have 10 bread, but I like burger from Jollibee. Jollibee, please. I like Jollibee. I want Jollibee. So cold here. Oh my god, I can't. 45 pesos is 59 cents. I wish bread was the cheap here. Yes. Have you been to India? No. Never been there in India. If you could, would you leave Philippines? I don't know. Gary Shelds. Bonjour, Amor Titanic. Hi, Lynn Louise. So cold. 35 pesos. Ang mahal. Sababian, Sababian, Lynn Louise. Are you from Luzon? From Bicol? Yes, from Luzon, Bicol Province, Philippines. Okay. Coffee, yes, coffee. 35 for 10 pieces, yes. 35 for 10 pieces. Angel, good night. Are you my... Okay. Frank? Maybe I'll give a tour of your neighborhood sometimes, yeah. Sige, that's not mahal. Yes, that's not mahal. My English is not perfect. Ah, Frank, me too. No worries. So good. When do you want to go to Jollibee? Tomorrow, today. Kuya Dre, Jollibee. I'm so cold. Oh my god. Do you go to office work today? She wants to go every day. Yes, I want to go every day. Going to Jollibee. What will you order? Michelle Villasalo. Oh my god, is a wonderful woman. Frank, Frank. Oh my god. Chicken joy. The chicken joy. What has it turned me so? Chicken joy, spaghetti mango, burger, fries, coke float. My god. Ice cream. Yummy. I want to go to Philippines. Is it safe for tourists? Yes. Safe here. Here, many foreigner camps here. But shout out Arnel vlog. Arnie vlog. Hi. 22 people. Or you might get taba. Hmm. At least I gain weight because I'm too slim. Look my look my buto. Yeah, I need to gain weight at least. Hi Akash. That is the beauty bond. Is it attractive trait? Eh? Eh? So called it. How far is Delhi from where you live? Almost 1 hour. From the bus. From the bus. Almost 1 hour. Going there. Yes, be sure to visit Lower Mindanao. Yeah. Jess Rocker, hi. Are you happy in the Philippines? Yes, I'm happy here. You don't like to be slim. I'm slim. I'm slim. I slim po. Oh my goodness. How will you get there? You have motor now. No, I don't have motor. Guapa siya. Jess Rocker, hello. Thank you for joining. I don't have motor. Not yet. The bus. Mhm. I want to get slim. Any tips? You need to exercise. Walk a lot. Me, I walk a lot. That's why even I eat a lot, I walk a lot. Don't eat as much, yes. It's okay if you eat as long as you exercise. You have an exercise. Me, my exercise is I walk a lot. Thank you, sir. Thank you, JSR. JS Rocker. Hey, Jess from Higgs. Hags from Jazz Rocker. Okay, actually, there are street dogs in my area. They cheese a lot while walking. Here I have a stick. If someone dog it, I don't know. I kicked them the dog. She's always walking, walking, Zumba and dancing. Yes, walking, Zumba, dancing, my exercise. Always good for the tummy. 29. Good idea. I will carry a stick. Yeah. If you if you see while walking, if you see if you see the dog, the dog is scared. Kim Sing On. Kim Sing On. How many kilogram are you? Oh my god, I gain weight now. 40 kilogram. 40. 40. My god. 25 people. You want no, not 58. Maybe 45, something like that. 45. 58 kilos is getting fat. Nah, not good for me. Getting fat now. 58. Maybe 45 is perfect weight. Why you look perfect? Hmm? 58 is not taba. It's not taba. I just want a 45, not 58. It's really difficult for me to gain weight at up to 40 to 58. How I do that? Oh my god. A lot of foods. A lot of food need to eat. It is good to be slim. Only the fat ones like me knows how hard it is to lose weight. Same when the slim need to really difficult to gain weight and the fat really difficult to lose the weight. Or you could do that. I've seen it done. Would you marry a Danish man? Danish? Sir Thomas. I'm not available for. I'm getting married soon. Have you heard about Nagaland? I thought you are from there at first, no? Never heard. She's not looking for a husband in the comment section, yeah. Yes, no, I'm not looking for a husband. I'm looking for a super chat. Oh my god. Yeah, she marrying me soon. Kuya Dre, the Jollibee. When someone starts worrying about gaining or losing weight, it causes stress. Yeah, it causes stress. So maybe need to worry, just enjoy. No need to worry. No need to worry. Neither are 99% of other Filipino on whiting. That's why. I don't know. Me here, I'm only a YouTuber here in our here in our barangay. I'm only one YouTuber here, live streaming, something like that. I'm only one here, so that's why they are on the Facebook, TikTok. Me, I'm here on YouTube. Only me here. They focus on Facebook or TikTok. Me, I focus here on YouTube. My Facebook is locked, so it's very private. My Facebook and also my Instagram. I'm not always there. Everyone is looking for money. Yeah. Yes. Here, I think here is no, it's a job. It it can it helps it can helps to earn money. So that's why everyone, yes. Mickey, it's yes, everyone looking for money in a good way. So you need to earn, I need to working hard to earn the money. They said hard work pays off. But I think you know what I'm here the super chatter here. I can I earn. Oh my god, I earn money here. That's super chatter. Oh, you guys, super chatter. Sir Mickey, Mickey, Jis, Rocker. I think they sent the super chat before. Kuya Dre. Yes. Yup, thank you so much. I I need to I get a salary. Oh my god. Jollibee. Even people with money are still looking for more money. Yes, they obsess about the money. But I think if you have a money, you need to no more stress. At least you have a home and family. Sometimes, uh, even you have everything, you never appreciate the most important, that God gives you a life. That the life is, you need to, what is the purpose? Why you live here in the world? Something like that. Money, money, money. Because of money, the power of money, the love, money or love. If anyone finds it, let me know. Yeah. Unang super chat Jollibee, yes. Utang, utang. You're refreshing and honest. I enjoy listening to you. Thank you. I'm so happy that I am here on YouTube, because when I grow up, when there's a very difficult life here in Bicol, I work at the mountain, the farm, the rice farm. Oh my god. So like I carry something like here, carry something from the mountain. You know what, the mountain is very high. I carry something to buy for food. Even I'm too young, still working. When I'm in Manila, when I working in Manila, after work again, need to another extra income, because of the cost of living there is expensive. Need to pay the bills, electric bill, water bill, travel expenses, foods, rent the home. Oh my god. I don't have lots of money, but I'm lucky that everything I have is paid for: house, care, etc. Yes. The most important thing is, you know what we call this? God will provide. Just you need to do is you know what is the priceless is for being a good who you are. Many a lots of educated people, or many a lots of rich people did not lucky to having a good attitude. Oh my god, thank you so much. Thank you pa, John Jackson. Thank you, John Jackson. Thanks a lot. Oh my god. Yes. I think money is just a bonus to as the what they call this, when I hear the father said for the church press, the presence, hi Martin, the presence, the blessings every day is, you wake up every day. The blessings that you receive every day is, you wake up every day and you can breathe. Yes, than because the money you can work it. The money you can work for, the money you can earn for, the money you can work it. But the life is only one, the life. So you need to enjoy the life. You know what, The true happiness here, the very simple people, they are feel the happiness in life. But the rich people, they are very secure for their for their money. They don't trust people. But the simple people, oh my God, their smile is very even the lack of foods. Thank you, Kuya Dre. Are you married? Will you stay in the Philippines? Yeah, thank you guys. Thank you, sir. Ano my God, sino to? Where are you, sir? John Jackson. Thank you. John Jackson from Folly. Simple life is less stressful. Yes, sir. Yes, Mickey. Simple life. Here, I live here. I grow up a very, ano, very difficult life here in Bicol. So much. When I'm a kids, um, before I go to before I go to to go to school, I need to work for we need to wash the clothes, clean the home, and after that we need to cook our food because our parents are so busy at the farm, at the mountain to buy our foods. We have a 9 siblings. My God. So that's why my so when I'm work, so that's why I need to work, not to need to work, but not to get rich, but we need to survive every day to get the food. Hi, Bama in Philippines. Hi, thank you so much for joining. Wherever you go, whatever you do, I need to make you a moderator because Sir Johnson because of right and waiting for you wherever it takes. Mhm. I will be right here with. You will see my very old video here on my YouTube. The life here and Bicol when I'm at the mountain, when I'm in the rice farm. I I rice I plant the rice like this. That's your people. Ah yes, thank you, Martin. Good morning, Bama. The Pelicans, thank you. Well, I retire next year. I must try the simple life. Yes. Yes, Mickey. Thank you, Martin. Thank you so much for very supportive one. Thanks a lot. I will be right here waiting for you, whatever it takes. My wife's family plants rice. Ah, yes. Here, I know how to plant rice. Yes, the harvest the rice. I know, since we were grow up at the rice farm with my parents. Some plant rice and some are fishermen, yes. A little far here, the sea. So just only the coconut. We need the coconut like I need to the coconut from the whole baol. Then we plant vegetable fruits like corn. Yes, corn. And in my old very old videos, he plants the corn. Oh my God, sweet corn, so very big. So I really miss that. Double tap your scan and subscribe, everyone. Thank you, Martin. I will be right here. It's wherever it takes. Say we have duck, swamp chicken, and catfish. Oh wow, that's great, Mama. Sleepy clothes. Why sleepy clothes? Sleepy clothes. Do you watch Philippine P? No. Philippine P. But just wait. Oh, sorry. Hi, Belly. Sorry, I'm just Thank you for thank you for the likes. Thanks a lot. Can't you see it, baby? You got me going crazy. Wherever you go, I do. I will be right, Mickey. What do you have planned for today? Wash clothes. Wash clothes. Work. Need to be early. Morning here is busy bit. Busy. Morning is always busy here. Karaoke, no karaoke. No karaoke. I got out of work today and I'm home. I took a shower and I'm going to eat something. Get about 4 hours of sleep to go back to work. What work do you have? Ben is here in our barangay, so need to ano. Can't you see it? I'm gonna go crazy wherever we go. I need to work. Still ano? Hold to ano? Circle hold here. May gulay. Wherever you go, whatever you do, I'll be right here. Maybe I need to end the live because I need to wash clothes. Thank you so much for joining. Thanks a lot. What was you earning per day when you was young working in the gas field? When I was young, I'm just working. I'm helping for my parents. Helping for my parents. I'm not get paid, but it helps me to eat because my parents um, uh, like uh, like things for school uniform, and I never have a school uniform when I grade school. Just the ponet, the damit. When I'm in grade school, I think I need not get paid, but it paid me to food. And give me the foods, so to survive every day, you know. Learn English and uniform. So that's why even when I have a money, I really appreciate so much because of the experience. It's really, oh my god, the experience when young. When I'm in Manila, I experience the ano, nothing. Need to ano, to strong there in Manila, because life there is not so easy. You need to work for it. You can, even the water you can pay. You need to pay. Here in Bicol, you can drink clean water. So in Manila, you need to work for that. Even to drink the water, eat foods. Here, even the no, you can eat like fruits, coconut. Yes, I understand what the normal salary in your area. A normal salary here is not so expensive. Like even because it based on your the position. Basic salary here, um, here in the province, even in Manila, I think basic salary for 8 hours. I think how many dollars in dollars? Mm, 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 maybe no, not 10. 8, 8 hours. 1, 2, 3, 100, 200. Maybe $7 for 8 hours. 1, 2, 3, 4. $7 for 8 hours. Basic salary in Manila. Minimum wage. 14, yes. 14K. Minimum wage salary. 14K. But it's really difficult how to handle that money, because you need to pay the foods, the travel expenses, the foods, travel, pay the electric bills, home rent, water bill, how to buy your clothes. Yeah, maybe that's why you need an extra income. There, there, and then another extra income for me. I need to my boss. I clean their home, they wash their clothes. I clean their my boss home. It up. Then after the clean, they give me a foods. Oh my god, thanks so much. I'm lucky because they good to me, my boss in Manila, so it helps me a lot. Mark Bibington, hi. But when I'm here in Bicol, I think I'm good here because no worries about the bill. Good morning, Sir Fred. Sir Fred, good morning. I understand, that's why I support my Joa. She's the only one that support her family, yes. That's why most of she the breadwinner of the family, it's very difficult for the breadwinner of the family, because oh my god, support a lot the sisters and brothers, even the nephew and niece, even the relatives, the foods, a lot. Thank you, my God, Kuya J, thank you for being a supportive jowa in Filipina. Oh my God. So proud of you, Kuya J. Evening, Dre. Kuya Sir Fred. I'm going to wash the clothes. But if you stay there, it's fine. Oh my god, my live is 1 hour already. I'm going here, by the way, I'm going here and Bicol because maybe because of so much work in Manila. I feel sick in Manila. That's why during pandemic, my parents said I need to go back here in the Philippines because if not, I will die in Manila. So when I'm here, I'm doing vlogs. 2020. Yes, doing vlogs during pandemic felt so really difficult that times. Oh my god. Oh my god. Turog pa si manager. It's my brother. I went Manila first time I came here and I didn't like it. I didn't like Manila. Good morning, Fred from Bama. Maganda ang ano niyan yan. Kahit have the moon. All I can do is hope and pray. So, my God. Go like. Need to work. I don't blame you, Fred. I still Manila like a week and I move around. What other mom countries have you traveled? Me, no. Never been travel any countries. Never been travel po. Any countries. Hey guys. Hi guys. Guys. Hi guys. Oh, thank you for joining guys. Good morning, Cheryl. I'm fine guys. We went there 6 months ago and I stayed Okada 1 week, then Solar 1 week, and Tagaytay 1 week. Wow. Wow. This the Okada. Soler. Expensive place. Expensive place po. May gulay. I need to end the live because I need to wash the clothes. Bye bye. Thank you so much for joining po Tagaytay all the way down in Batangas. It's beautiful. Makes a fantastic motor trip. Oh yes. Oh, wish I experienced that Tagaytay. Tagaytay is the one of the tourist spot here in the Philippines. Thank you so much. Have a good day. See you guys. Thank you. Thank you, Kuya Dre, Sir Fred, Martin. Thank you so much. And John Jackson, my super chatter here now. Sir Fred, thanks. GS Rockers, thank you. Thank you, guys. Bama and Philippines, thank you for joining po. Kuya Dre, thanks a lot. Thanks you guys, joining people joining here. Thank you so much for the support. My God, we stay in the Taal Hotel. As Mickey, thank you Mickey. My God, take care. Taal Hotel, more beautiful. Thank you so much po. Love you all. Bye bye.